Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding products to your Shopify store using a CSV file. If you've ever wanted to upload a batch of new items quickly or migrate your product catalog from another platform, this is the tutorial you need. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prep, upload, and publish products without fuss, saving you tons of time compared to entering each product by hand. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need is a CSV file with all your product information. This is basically a spreadsheet, but saved in a format Shopify understands. If you've put time into organizing your product details, names, prices, descriptions, even SKU numbers, double-check that you're satisfied with everything. Take a moment to review the spreadsheet for typos or missing details. Every column matters, since what's in this file will become your store. Imagine it's like filling out a recipe card. The clearer and more complete your list, the easier it will be for Shopify to understand your ingredients. Once your CSV file is ready, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Products. This is your main hub for managing what you sell. Look for the Import button, usually found at the top right, and click it. Right here, Shopify offers two ways to bring in data. You can upload a Shopify formatted CSV file or import data directly from another platform. For most folks, especially if you've exported your products from somewhere else or created your own spreadsheet, uploading from CSV is the way to go. Now, choose Upload File and select your CSV from your computer. Take your time to find the correct file. No need to rush. Once it's chosen, click Next to continue. You'll then notice a couple of options that can make a big difference in how the import behaves. One is Overwrite Products with Matching Handles. This is really useful if you're updating existing items. Think of a handle as a unique nickname for each product in your store. If your file contains products already in your store, enabling this option will replace the old details with the new ones from your CSV. So if you're refreshing prices or descriptions, make sure this is checked. If you're just adding new products and you don't want to touch what's already there, you can leave it unselected. The other option is Publish New Products to all sales channels. This ensures any brand new items you're adding will be available everywhere you sell, from your online store to social media integrations. Unless you're deliberately importing drafts, it's a good idea to let this run so your items reach as many customers as possible. Once you've double-checked these settings, click Upload and Preview. Give it a moment to work. This part might take a few seconds, especially if you have a lot of products. Shopify will show a preview so you can see what's about to go live. If something looks off, you can hit pause and troubleshoot before going any further. When everything looks correct, go ahead and click Import. Now all you have to do is wait as Shopify processes your file. Sometimes this will take a minute. Depending on your store and the file size, don't worry if you see a little progress spinner or your dashboard seems to pause. That's normal. Once the upload is complete, your products will be live. And you're done. It's that simple. With just a few steps, you've gone from a spreadsheet to a fully stocked Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you run into any snags, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips so you can keep growing your business with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.